Okay, this is the Tuxing model twin cylinder compressor. I'm not sure exactly what the model number is. It might be the 11 or the 12, but this is the one with the auto stop. I've added, comes with an inline filter on the hose. I've added a larger water separator filter. I'm using micro sieve beads in that, along with the original filtering material that came with it. The compressor, this is your main air block with the bleed valve, with your burst disc, and you have an auto pressure setting gauge here. You have your temperature, your on switch, the unit the cord plugs in on the other side, bucket of water running for cooling. This actually reads in Fahrenheit. I believe 185 is the max operating temperature. So far in the 3 or 4 times I've used this, I've not really seen it exceed maybe 125. Inside ambient temperature is probably mid-60s right now. I'm starting out with bottle pressure of about 3,000 psi, and the process that I will use is I will start the compressor without a load. I'll have the bleed valve open, and then I'll close that after the compressor starts. Once I see the pressure gauge, and I'll either use this pressure gauge to read, or I'll use the pressure gauge down at the bottle. But once it reaches a pressure equal to or greater than what's reading on the bottle, I'll open this valve, and that will allow the air to start entering the bottle and just kind of equalize things before I get started. So with all that said, I guess we're ready to go ahead and start it off. Like I said, we'll start it off with the valve open. We'll close the valve, and my pressure is already set at about 44 or 4,500 psi, somewhere around there. And we'll see how long this takes to fill. set point of about 4,300, 4,400 psi. We'll close our bottle valve. Okay, tank is closed, and now I'm turning the power off. We will bleed the system slowly. Our temperature, I don't think, exceeded maybe 110. It's already down to 75 now with the compressor turned off. This is our bottle. We filled to, it's probably 4,300. Full is 4,500, and that's just a little short of that. So again, 43, 4,400 psi. That is your bleed and also your moisture bleed valve all built into one. There's not two different valves. Okay, so we're depressurized. Back down to 72.5 degrees. Our power is off, and again our bottle is just short of the 4,500 fill. So that was pretty quick. No complaints. I'm pretty happy with this.